Took the win on that one. That was awesome. We'll walk around and get some footage, man. This is Moultrie, Georgia Cars and Coffee. First one of the year. I raced this on the way here. I didn't get any footage on it. He tore my little truck up. It's very sick. I miss my R32. BMW still sweet. Gotta see the wiper. Yeah, LJ's gorgeous. Gorgeous ETSV. What's up, Doug? Doing alright? About 10 minutes ago, you know, just doing a little walk around for the old YouTube. This it's cool. This is my buddy LJ's car right here. This is the one that put it on.
I saw him on Facebook. He's the one that actually replied to my comment, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's all just about being here. Just before I come home, or on the way here, but I didn't turn it on, right? And so I watched him tear up the Ford Focus ST we were riding with, and I was like, I got out of the red light, turned the nitrous on real quick. I'm like, just in case things pop off. Still got my ass whooped, but I did tear up a white Silverado. It was like right in the middle of the town. He got next to me, it was lowered. It looks pretty good, but he come off the red light, kind of tough, and I was like, the hell with that, right on the button.
Right off the jump.
He turned around, he didn't even come to Cars and Coffee. I think I ruined his morning.
Oh, man.
He had to have been on the way here.
I saw like an Impala jacked up.
Yeah, I have this on YouTube tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
You know, best turnout yet, right?
Dude, yeah.
I mean, it looks phenomenal. I wish I had a better drone. I'd, kind of do like a little flyover.
Dude, this has been a damn good turnout, actually. Hey, man, I'm gonna get going before I get in trouble, bro.
Where you go?
If I ever buy a Corvette, that's the first thing I'm gonna buy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy it. I'm good all.
Well, the R32 is beautiful. Everybody's starting to roll out now. I guess we're gonna call it. Head back to Coolidge. I'll have this video uploaded soon. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, comment, share, something. You have a good day.
Peanut butter sandwich.
Doug got me. I was on the bottle the whole time. That was awesome.